wanna be in your town where the streets are yours and the sky is too. I still remember being there with you, walking the streets of cobblestone after the summer rain in a world of our own. I've got a notion that won't leave my brain. I'm on my way downtown to grab the next train. Grab the next train. Wanna see the mountains and the rolling fields between the towns. Hear the rhythm of the wheels. Take some time, try to ease my mind. Leave all the traffic and the daily grind behind. Settle in, settle down at last, and lose myself in sweet memories of the past. I wanna see that place again. My heart set to run and grab the next train. Ow. Grab the next train. Not long ago and quite unexpectedly, I found myself obsessing over you and me, doing it even though I know for sure that there can be no such thing as being who we were, how we were anymore. When I thought of driving, I got road rage. On a plane, I feel like I'm in a cage. It maybe sounds a little strange, I know, but there's just one way I still love to go. So now I'm here, but it seems to be that I tried to run, but the blues came and found